Hey, what's up, everyone? Dr. Taylor, Spire Chiropractic. Today is the first day of the week of Patient Appreciation Day. Remember, this week, all week long, new patients are going to be free. New patient consultations, new patient exams, x-rays, adjustments. If you need decompression, that's no charge. If you need soft wave, we'll throw that on there too. For new patients, free all week long. If you're a regular patient, but you kind of skipped out for a while, you need an updated exam or re-exam or re-x-ray, this applies to you too. You might not be new, but you're new for right now. All week long, all of your re-exams are going to be free. Why? Because on Thursday, October 10th, this Thursday, 4 days from now, we're having our 9th annual Patient Appreciation Day. So on Thursday, regular hours, everything that day is going to be free. Free adjustments, free soft wave, free decompression. We've got the food taken care of. We'll have you for here for breakfast, for lunch part 1, lunch part 2 in the afternoon, dinner. We're going to have prizes given away. You know how we do this. There's over like $3,000 worth of stuff. We're doing Stars tickets. We're doing Cowboys tickets, 65-inch TV, air fryers, Stanley cups, just a fistful of cold hard cash. We've got plenty of local businesses that have also donated their stuff, just giving out a whole mess of gift cards. Why? To say thanks. 9th annual Patient Appreciation Day starts this week. The day is Thursday. If you're not on the schedule, get on the schedule. We'll see you then.